In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to table cells in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. Once it launches, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, go to Community Plugins, then click Browse. This is where you can find and add extra features to Obsidian. In the search bar, type Sheets Extended. When it appears in the results, click Install, then click Enable. This plugin is what allows the table styling used in this setup. Now create a new note. At the top, enter the title, Color Table Demo. After that, move down into the body of the note. Start a code block by typing 3 backticks, then the word Sheet. This tells Obsidian that the content in this block should be handled with the sheet format. Next, define your color classes. Check the text shown on your screen and copy it exactly as displayed. This part sets up the classes that will control the background colors used in the table cells. When that section is entered, type 3 dashes. This creates a separator between the metadata and the table content below it. Now, build a table using the pipe symbol for each column. As you enter the table content, add a tilde followed by a class name to any cell you want to color. Use the same class names shown on your screen, including green, yellow, red, and blue where they appear. Check the on-screen example again and copy the table exactly as shown so the cell color styling matches properly. Once the table is complete, close the code block by typing 3 backticks on a new line. That finishes the sheet block and prepares it to render correctly. Now click the book icon to switch to Reading View. Obsidian will render the table, and you should see the colored cell backgrounds appear in the note. Wait a moment while it loads and finishes displaying the styled table. After it completes, the finished table will appear in your note area, and the color formatting will be visible directly inside Obsidian. You've now added color to table cells in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. The table is now rendered with green, yellow, red, and blue cell backgrounds based on the classes you entered in the sheet block.